Hope everyone is doing fantastic. I just wrapped up mowing the yard here at the shop. I'm gonna be running some errands here to Lowe's and gotta get a couple grocery items for myself. But anyway, we'll be picking up a fuse to fix that outlet in the Lowe's shed. And we also need some bolts for mounting the lathe. I'm gonna be finally getting around to doing that. Actually, super excited about that. That's gonna be a lot of fun to test out. I've never used a lathe before. Neither I or Tom has. So, anyway, but before all that, this is our product of the day here. Just got these listed on the website. They'll be tagged in this video as well to be able to purchase them right on the channel and all that. But yeah, go check them out. We got tons of great signs, decor, all that stuff on our website. We're slowly adding more and more stuff. I actually have an alarm set in my phone now to add a new product every day because we have a bunch of stuff that's already done, but just needs listed. Anyway, yep, check those out. All right, so trying to figure out what bolts I need to mount the lathe. Right there. M8 1.25. Cool. All right, so we need to figure out which one of these fuses is bad. All right, so these are what we need. I can't really tell which one is out, to be honest. I think it was that one right there. But yeah, I'm gonna bring all these with me just to make sure I get the right ones. They're 30 amp fuses, all of them. So I'm gonna pick up a couple because both of these ones are very old. And there's actually a light bar in the shop here that doesn't work. And I don't know, that may fix that too. So anyway, let's head to Lowe's. All right, we're here at Lowe's. Let's head in there. All right, just got out of Lowe's. We got everything we need here. At least I hope. Got some fuses. Got 2 packs of them. Got the bolts there. Hopefully they're not too long. But I mean, if they are, there's things we can do to fill the space better than them being too short. All right, off to Walmart now, but there's nothing to film there, so I'll catch you all when we're back at the house. All right, we are back at the house here. Let's go ahead and get these new fuses in. And we'll see what we got. All right, should be set. Let's hit the switch. Okay, lights are working back here. Let's go. I think that one must need new bulbs. Don't know though. Let's go plug the light bar in back in the Lowe's shed. And see if this outlet's working. Yes, it is. Boom. Heck yeah. My problem solving skills are just on another level here, guys. I'll tell you what. All right, I'm going to get some lunch now. We'll be back. All right, so it's a brand new day here at the shop, guys. These are what's getting listed on the website today. 2 different options on the frame there. Pretty cool. Show you what we got on the engraver right now. Looking good. This is what's being engraved, except I changed the bottom text because you can't really see that very well. So it's more of like a cursive, fancy sort of text now. But yeah, I'll show you when it comes off. Anyway, I'm going to be cutting down some 1/4 inch plywood for doing some more engraved signs. I don't remember if I showed you guys that design or not. I made a new design and I gotta show it to you guys. So we'll do that. All right, so this is the plywood right here. Tom has a bunch of this that he picked up from his day job. We used this to do the pet portraits. I showed you guys those, but we're now going to be using it to do a lot of the just other engravings. It's just a cheaper option for people at events and things like that aren't looking for any like crazy exotic wood or anything and aren't wanting to pay for something like that. But yeah, we're gonna cut down some squares out of this. I believe it's 12 inches wide, so we're gonna cut down some 12-inch sections out of that. Let's do it. All right, so that gave us 3 pieces out of that, but we have a bunch more, so. But yeah, the last one there, it's just barely under 12 inches, so we may figure out something else to do with that needs cut down. But now I'll show you guys the design that I made that's gonna go on these. All right, before I show that to you guys though, this just came off the laser. That's the new font that we're gonna use for that. For whatever reason though, as you can see, it engraved it off center. I don't know if I messed it up, but for doing the next ones, I'm just gonna close down the program and then reopen it, just to be sure. But yeah, that's what the new design will look like on those. Let me know what you guys think. All right, got another one of those coasters rolling. Hopefully it'll engrave properly this time, but this is the design here that's gonna go on those square pieces of plywood that I cut out. Don't know if anyone's seen the movie Twisters or not, but that's what this is from, if you couldn't tell. Also inspired by the Luke Combs song that is in the movie. But anyway, yeah, let me know what you guys think on it. Pretty happy with how it turned out, honestly. All right, so I just got back from work. I'm gonna get some dinner. In the meantime, y'all get to watch that new design I made be engraved. Let's do it.